intro. You might have seen it on this video. I also posted a video with it, but today I'm going to be playing Just Build on the Hive. I actually have my Chromebook next to me because I was playing with my friend Shyla earlier. Oh my god, I opened my Chromebook and I was on Roblox. Oh my god. Okay. So I'm going to be using my Chromebook next to me, which is next to me, to search up like pixel art and stuff for the Hive, for Just Build. And I use this sometimes. I started doing this strategy with my friend Shyla. And it's a pretty cool strategy, and it's pretty helpful, I will say. It's pretty helpful. So, if you need, like, we have the theme, chemistry, I searched up a Minecraft potion bottle, like a potion bottle, and I did like a pixel art of that. I forget if we won or something. I forget if we got on the leaderboard, but yeah. Ooh, Santa's little helper. That's cute. But I don't celebrate Christmas. But still, it's super cute. Okay, so we're gonna be, oh, it's right there. We're gonna be playing Just Build today. Okay, so I really like to run around here. I don't know why, it's just really fun to run around and see what's there in the time that you have. Oop, I forgot on the skin, but that's fine. Parrot. Okay, so I'm gonna search. MC Parrot pixel art. Yes, okay. I found a really cute one I'm gonna use. But first, oh, what am I wearing? Oh yeah, I forgot about my helmet. I'm in the wrong skin, but that's fine. So I'm gonna change the floor actually. Oh wait, I can't change it like a jungle grass. I was gonna say jungle grass, but I was like, wait, I can't change it to jungle grass. What if I could change it to jungle wood? Try changing it to jungle wood. So, slash floor. Oh, I said flute. Wait, did I say flute? I think I said flute. Floor. Yes, that looks kind of good. It kind of looks like Podzol, but I don't care. So I'm going to grab my colors. Green, yellow, white, black, and I'm going to use like some white terracotta for like the beak. Actually, no, I use this for the beak. Oh, I just placed it for black. Okay, so it starts that, and then, oop, I think I might actually go further down, like that, so I have more space for the pixel art. Okay, that, and 1, 2, looks like, and one like that. Okay, the yellow above that. 1, 2, 3. Wait, so like that, wait. 1, 2. 1, 2. that. Okay. That's all I need for that color. Wait. Oh, I did this wrong. It was like that. Okay. And then above that, wait. So wait. 1, 2, like that. Okay, that's the yellow part done. And across there, like that. There's the green. Okay. There's the green done. And then right here, I have red. That. Okay, like that. Yeah. Oh, this parrot's starting to look good. Okay. This is not really a Minecraft parrot pixel art, but it's a cute one. Oh my god, I only have like 6 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, so a square here. And then that. I think like that. Wait, like that. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 minutes. That, okay. And then my orange. Like that. Okay, I did it a bit wrong. But, okay. I did it a bit wrong, but who cares? It's a cute parrot. Okay, I hope people like it. I hope people like the parrot. I think what I hope people like the parrot. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to get rid of this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put around some jungle trees. I know I chose podzol, but who cares? Who cares? Podzol's fine. Put alright, there's no bone meal. I'm gonna have to build my own. Okay. I'm gonna grab some jungle leaves. Wait, do they have? Okay, just check something. I'm just building like small little ones like this. Okay, only 3 minutes. But it'll be fine. It will be fine. It's a cute parrot. Probably not gonna get first place. Maybe second, maybe third. But probably not. I'm gonna draw like a big tree here. Gonna have like some like roots coming down. I'm not the best at building like mega trees, but I think this might actually look good if I try my best. Okay, I need... Okay. Not the best at mega trees, like I just said, but I can work hard to get it right. I think what I actually might do if I had the time, I might actually put like a tree house in this. Okay, this is looking really bad. Like, really bad. Oh, no, I don't have time for a tree house. I don't have time for a tree house. Okay, I'll just build like a... Okay, I'm just gonna build like a giant version of that. And it's gonna probably look really stupid, but I'm gonna build like a giant tree here. Like a jungle pine tree, kinda. I don't know why just to do this, but... No! Only 30 seconds. No. No, I cannot do. I cannot do this. Okay. That's all I have time for. So, I hope people like this. I hope people like this. Oh my god. Okay, it hasn't loaded. Blah, blah. I'm gonna give it an okay. Because this is not the... There's only 3. How many people are there? Because it doesn't look... I think I might like this. Yes! Yes! Yes, I love this one. I love it. Yes. Because I love how there's like the feeding trough and stuff. And the parrot has like googly kind of like eyes. Yes! Oh, here's my little parrot pixel art. Do you like it? Do you like it? Oh, by the way, do you also like my skin? Yeah, I forgot to change into my other skin, but yeah, do you like it? I don't know if they liked it. I didn't know there were this many people. There aren't that many people in this game right now. What is it? That's a meh for me. That's a super poop. What? They forgot to build. They forgot to build. That's so funny. It's a watermelon. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cute. They kind of did the same thing, but they used oak. But that's pretty cool. Oh my god. So good. I got 3rd place. Hey. Got 3rd place, yeah. I got this. My skin's pretty cute. Pretty cute. Goes in the view. Yeah, pretty cute. Wee, wee. Okay, let's see. Cooking. Ooh. What could I do for that? Got an idea? Probably not the best idea. I'm gonna use the quartz, the floor, slash floor. Oh, I must have not did this with my hand. What? Yeah, because it makes a pretty design. We might do like a jungle table. What? Wait 1 sec. Okay, wait. So I'm gonna build. I always go like a bit big when I do these things, but who cares? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Now I'm gonna make a cross to make like a, to make it actually work. Wait, so wait. Okay, so that's size. I don't know why I made a giant square. I think I'm gonna actually do this like that's the Lego table. Yeah, I think I might do that. What? I'm making a video! Sorry. I'm making a video! 1 sec, guys. 1 sec. Okay, I'm back. That was my dog Dory barking. She's very loud. She's turning 15 soon. Wait. Okay. So this. Okay. I think that should be the height of the table. Stop! Sorry, guys. My dog Dory is really loud. To do like these kind of shapes for tables because they're easier to work, like to do, like a circle shape. I don't know why, but circle shapes are easy for tables. It's kind of weird, but they are. And then I'm gonna create a girl. Okay, so she's gonna be wearing shorts, like some black shorts, I think. Like wearing black pants. Black pants, not shorts. And a purple shirt. Okay. Maybe purple shoes too. Okay, she has clown feet, apparently. 5 minutes. Oh my god, black concrete is so hard to work with. Have you ever worked with black concrete? It's like so hard to work with because you can barely see what you're placing. I once made a house that was like, the thing was like, like the main area was like all black concrete, and it was so annoying to work with. I think I should might have like a little knot. Like, well, actually, nah. Oh my god, she's thick. This girl's thick. I think I'm gonna start going up now. Not like that. This is her skin. This is like her face, I think. And this is gonna be her face. So, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Forgot about hair color. I think I'm gonna do it kind of like mine right now. Right now, I have my hair purple. I have brown hair, but I have like a purple through it. So I'm gonna do something like that with her hair. We gotta do her sleeves. Actually, she'll have like her things. It's gonna be only like a 9. Okay. That. We're gonna make her head taller. Nuts. Now we need, I already have purple. So, like a purple. Purple like this. And around the sides. Dory! Sorry. I did! Dory, stop! My dog Dory is very annoying. That's like kind of how my hair is like right now. My hair is like a purple streak at the top. Yeah, like that. Oh my god, only 1 minute. I need the pink. I need kawaii cheeks. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. Just need orange. And a bit of green to display that this is a carrot that she's cutting up. Cutting up a carrot. She's cutting up a carrot. Okay. Oh my god, she's fat. I just realized she's fat. I'm not gonna win this. I'm not gonna win this. I didn't search up a pixel art for any of this. I'm not gonna win this. Oh my god. Ooh. This one's good. I know I voted great instead of good, but like, I feel like the ratings are a bit weird with this. Like a male would surely be orange. What's this? What was that noise? I think they didn't get it. I don't think they got what it meant. I think they read it wrong. Another one like this. Seriously. God. I kind of get it. Okay. I kind of get it. The soup. It has a loaded in, but I see that this is really good. Oh, this is amazing. It's amazing. Ooh, this is good. Well, good is great, in my opinion. If I ever say good, that means I'm saying, like, I vote great. I think, probably. So, a microwave and something, okay. Like, everything like everything that. Okay. I don't think they get it either. I don't think people get what cooking is. And they're a bad builder. Just like, I don't think they get what building is. You can't see anything. Like, literally. You can't see anything. Oh, ooh. Kind of what I did. This is, I love it. I love it. I love it. But this is kind of like what I did. Person cooking. Oh, it's an unfinished Steve. That's good, yeah. But I would have rated it love if the Steve was finished, but oh. Mine is a disappointment. Oh, but some people are rating it good. Ooh. Oh. Well, I'm going to end this video here.